Hello friends, welcome to Huneza World. Uh, I have purchased a new mobile, so I just wanted to do an unboxing and review for all of you. So basically, this is a Xiaomi mobile Redmi Dual. I purchased it recently, and now itself it came from Amazon.in. So I have sanitized the package, and here is the mobile. So I just opened it now. So as you can see from Amazon.in, this package has just arrived, and as always, Amazon is doing a wonderful job, and the package is really good. So this is the cover, like this is the box of the mobile. So it is Redmi 8A Dual, and basically it's from Xiaomi. So let me unbox this and I'll show you all the features and everything. So here I am cutting the box. Meanwhile, I'll just tell you something about this. So this is a budget phone and it is like means below 10,000 range. I basically got it from for very less rate because I bought in exchange. I was having an old Oppo mobile, so it was old, but it was a brand. It was like the screen and everything was very good. So basically, I exchanged that. So as you can see, this is the pin. So basically, what happens like in this new mobiles, to remove the SIM card and the memory card, this pin is required. The back side of the mobile it doesn't open. It is seal pack. So this is a very good way they have packed the mobile. So this is the mobile. So as you can see, it's really means the look wise it's very good. So it is having a 6.2-inch big screen, and the color is also very nice blue color. So this is the sea blue color, and it looks really good. And the phone weight is also like very normal, and it's a light phone, and the look wise also it's very good. So as you can see, it is like it is thin also, like very thin. So apart from that, they have provided us a charger. So it is a USB-C type charger, and I don't know why these days we don't get any earphone with the mobile. I recently purchased one more mobile that also doesn't comes in with a earphone. So in comments, please let us know if any mobile you have purchased recently and you have got a earphone with it. So as you can see, this is a C type charger. So it's a bit different, like earlier in Oppo and all which we used to get. So this charger it's a bit different. So I'm starting the mobile. So the screen looks very good, and here are the basic questions which they are which when we first time start the mobile they will ask us. So I'm just selecting the appropriate answers, and it's going on. So normally what happens like it will ask you the general things, and then it will ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi and all. So this is Huneza world, so definitely the Wi-Fi SSID is also Hunnu. so so here I have connected the Wi-Fi. I am not means I will not show the username and password. Just joking. So the interesting part here is like I got this mobile very cheap. I had to pay only 4,800 rupees for this mobile, and the catch was like I exchanged my old mobile. It was also very good. It was a brand new mobile. Like it was the screen was brand new. I was using it for 4 years now, but it was not having any damage, and it was like really like everything was new. So they gave me 2,700 rupees in exchange. So I had to pay only 4,800 for this mobile, and that's really cheap. So as I told you earlier, like these days the back side of the mobile is completely like it's we cannot open that. So here this is this pin. We put the pin inside the hole, and this compartment keep comes out where we put the SIM card as well as the memory card. So here I am putting the same, and it takes some time, like we have to adjust the location and then we have to push it. So it's good, like if it's hot swappable, like from when your mobile is on, that time also you can remove and you can replace it. So that's a good point. So here I have inserted the SIM card in my mobile. So speaking about the memory card, so this mobile supports 512 GB memory. Means like you can buy a external memory card up to 512 GB, and you can put a memory card of that. So it's a good thing, like if you have a 512 GB memory card, easily you can store up to 500 to 400, means like up to movies you can store up to 400 to 500. And so here you can see, like it will ask for a Google account, so because it's a Google Play. So Google Play is also a very good feature where you can store all your games and all, like if you have signed in with Google and you are playing some game or something, so automatically, or maybe we have to save, so the progress of that game gets stored in the Google Play. And if you sign again with the same Google account, so you don't have to play that game from start. It will again come to the level which you were playing earlier. So that's a good thing. And so as you can see, these are the additional settings and all, like we have very good themes also in this mobile. There are different themes. Also we have this feature, like if means if we don't want to type with the keyboard, we can speak also, like through we can just speak and it will automatically type. So that is also a very good feature which I liked in this mobile. So just let me tell you about the features on this mobile. So this is having a Android 9, which is the latest version. It is also called Android Pie, and it has a processor, the CPU. It is 1.95 gigahertz Snapdragon, and the screen again, it's a Gorilla Glass 5. So it is like scratchless and very powerful screen. And earlier, as I mentioned, the screen is 6.2. So this is basically the warranty card and the general instructions, this manual. And as you can see, backside it has three cameras. One will be oh sorry, I am so there are basically three cameras, one in the front and two in the back side. So these cameras, they are very powerful. Like on the back side we have a 13 megapixel camera, primary, and 2 megapixel as a dual camera. So these are both AI cameras. AI in the sense artificial intelligence. So it has some artificial intelligence in it. So this is a new technology. So this is basically, it will sense the photos, and it will adjust the lights and all. Then on the front side, the selfie camera, it's again a 8 megapixel camera, and I checked that it's really good. One more good feature of this mobile, it has a 5000 mega mAh lithium battery. So it is like whatever you do in the whole day, at least it will work for 24 hours or more. So that is also a very good thing. And the charger with which it is given from with along with the box, so it's a fast charger. I used it, and from 30 to 100 it went in around literally 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hours it was completely charged. So that's also a very good feature. So as you can see the camera, so this I'm using my 13 megapixel camera. So as you can see, it's really good. Like even if you zoom it, it's not having any image distortion or something. So it's very good camera. And this mobile, it has a 2 GB memory and 32 GB internal memory, and again expandable up to 512 GB. Means you can put an external card, memory card in it, which can be up to 512 GB. It will support that. Also this Redmi Dual 8, it comes with more variants, like there is 3 GB RAM also, and 64 GB internal memory. And the other one is, I guess, 4 GB RAM and 128 GB memory, internal memory. So they are like maybe more 1,000 rupees more or something. But I went for this basic one because my usage, I'm not playing any games or anything. This just office use, like I have to receive the calls and all, and the WhatsApp. So that's why I went for the lowest model. So you can plan accordingly as per your usage. If you want more GB RAM and more internal storage, you can go for the other variants also. Also, there are other colors also apart from this blue color. There is a white color also, and there is a, I prefer, like there is some magneta color also for this mobile. So those things you can check on the Amazon.in. They have all the informations. These days, the schools have gone online because of the current unfortunate scenario. So that also you can use, means one can purchase this phone, and easily you can, the school kid or the person, they can easily attend the school through that. So this is a very good average budget mobile, and I have to say, like, when I'm using this, the touch is also very, very, very smooth, and really means I really like it. So that's it. The As you can see, I've like given a complete review of the phone. So we'll be more reviewing the more digital, more gadgets, and like, my wife will also give you, means putting more videos of cooking recipes on this channel of new, means actually we are planning to go out also and review many interesting places which we have in the Bangalore. But as per the current unfortunate scenario, we are not able to go outside. But anyway, once this is over, once everything is fine, we'll definitely give you more reviews of interesting places in and around Bangalore. And keep watching our channel.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.